So the biggest risks around using traditional delivery models like engineer, procure, construct, or EPC is going to create delays in the project, because the EPC is traditionally a sequential delivery model, whereas now the timeframes required to be able to deliver a lot of these projects in parallel, we're actually going to need to be able to compress those timeframes. For the mega and giga projects that we're seeing now that are all happening at the same time, the market has changed for contractors, being able to actually get contractors to be able to deliver both design and construction, and also the plant and equipment to be able to deliver your projects is bottlenecked. So doing it in a sequential EPC manner is not necessarily going to meet those requirements. Using an EPC model, most of the risk ends up with the contractor. If you're putting risk onto the contractor, then on a large project, they're going to have to price that risk in. We did 2 projects, battery energy storage project. The first project was run in a traditional owner's engineer delivery model, took a little bit longer, but the delivery model evolved into more of an integrated project delivery team model. The timeframes were compressed significantly because we were able to procure the key items off plant and equipment in parallel. We didn't have to go and create our specifications to the nth degree and then procure. We're able to do enough specification to go ahead and procure and get the contracts in place and then finish the design required to be able to actually install the equipment. So we did see some real benefits in time, some cost savings as well around being able to split some of the contracts and not put all the risk onto, say, one contractor. The traditional engineer, procure, construct model, it still has its place. But there are other models that can be used in conjunction with EPC, including integrated project teams, alliancing, early contractor involvement, split contracts. There might be a couple of different models that need to be used on a particular giga project. But the key for leaders is around ensuring that there's true governance placed on these giga projects, setting up the right level of steering committees over the top with the right level of decision makers from the key owner organisations, but also the delivery organisations. Because it's a team approach. It's not just the owners, it's not just the contractors and suppliers delivering these projects, it's a team. And governance over the top throughout the project to not only identify the risks, but manage those key risks is critical in delivering these giga projects.
Learn more with Nexus. Published by GHD, where ideas connect.